Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola E40 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started you will need to grab a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here. They come provided with a device in the box so you can get it from there. You could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once you have one of them, you will need to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone. So push the pin in. Now this is a little bit short and it barely came out, but I think it's enough for me to actually take it out anyway. In normal circumstances you probably will have a little bit of a bigger pin like this one. So just to show this one should go a little bit better in, pushing the tray a little bit further out. But once you take it out, you have space for an SD card, and each space is dedicated for that specific card, and then 2 SIM cards. Now you can occupy both of the trays for the SIM card or one of them, and it doesn't really matter which one if you're planning to use only one. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray and then carefully insert it back into your phone. Now carefully, because nothing is really holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of like pop out. Now once you insert it back into your phone, they should start working immediately. As you can see, the SIM card is already working and it's telling me to verify the pin on it. So there we go, SIM card is now unlocked. And the SD card should be working as well, so there we go. So there's the notification for the SD card as well. So both of them are working without any kind of problem. And that is how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.